Hello everyone, welcome back to Art Brigade YouTube channel. So this video I'm going to paint an abstract art using colors shades of blue. Here I am using Amsterdam brand light blue shade directly on the canvas using a palette knife. I didn't mix the paint with texture paste. It is the texture coming from the paint itself. To get this kind of texture without using texture paste, all you have to do is take a good amount of acrylic paint on the tip of the palette knife and just dab on the canvas like what I'm doing here. I'm trying to fill all the white spaces of the canvas. Next, I'm using cobalt blue as a second shade and repeat the same process. The beauty of this kind of abstract art really depends upon how much quantity of paint palette knife holds. As you can see, I'm trying to make a thick textures with this consistency of paint. So take a good amount of acrylic paint. Try to mix those two layers with same palette knife. I really like this process of doing this texture art. It's really stress relief. Second shade of blue is almost finished. Um, Now I'm adding phthalo blue. It's a very dark blue. That's the last shade of my art. I used these three shades for this beautiful painting. I'm repeating same process for the phthalo blue. You can make the textures strokes wider or narrow. I like narrow small strokes rather than a wider one. Okay, now the painting is almost finished. Now I'm trying to fill all those white spaces and the edges of the canvas to give a complete finished look. I hope you like the painting. It's a very simple DIY type of abstract art. So do try at your home and send a photo of your painting to my Instagram account. My Insta link is mentioned in the description box below. Thanks for watching.